third quarter was certainly a bit of a relief after a painful H1, which was dominated by one of the worst quarters in our history. Q2 was definitely stressful for the entire organization. Yeah, the improvement is certainly a relief, but we all know what's happening out there with coronas, so there are certainly big question marks. But nevertheless, we still believe that the measures taken overall are supportive, that we hopefully can remain the factories running, the dealers open, so that we will continue to be able to do business, certainly under difficult circumstances, as we learned throughout the entire year. So on the back of Q3, we definitely assume H2 to be stronger than H1.
Can I ask you specifically on that? What difference to your operations will the announcement from the Chancellor make? How does this new lockdown in Germany affect Volkswagen?
I mean, we will see, but it's certainly it is a clear message to all of us in Germany, and I think it's overall true for Europe. We need to be careful. We need to respect the challenges. But businesses will remain open. It's certainly the big question mark is what will the measures do for the mood of the customers at the end of the day. But as long as we can produce and sell, I think we have a fair shot at it. Products are attractive to customers. We've seen the recovery increase in Q3. But we will see in the next couple of weeks. We all certainly hope that we get our arms around the developments, which have been scary to a certain extent. But at least we have a shot at the business, and we hope that we, with the measures in place, that we will provide a safe purchasing experience for the customer. And I think we learned a lot, particularly in Q2, with the measures being taken in the factories, but certainly also in the entire sales channel. So I think we know what we need to do, and we need to convince customers and employees that coming in showrooms and factories is safe, and this is a job to be done.
Frank, let me ask you about the electrification and how sales is actually going when it comes to that specific vehicle class. Because here in Germany, you clearly see more and more electrified vehicles on the street, but there are also quite a lot of discounts available currently from car makers. So how does that translate into profitability when it comes to that electrified vehicle also for you?
I mean, for us, it's a very exciting period with the launch of the ID.3 and ID.4. They are all based on our new MEB full electric platform. So we are now offering in the volume segment. I think we are very much a believer that this is the right way to go. Certainly, there's a lot of money available to the customer. And currently, the limiting factor is our ability to produce the vehicles. Pretty much the limiting factor are the battery cells. But we are very confident about the venue. Even in the crisis, we didn't scale back on our electrification initiatives nor on digitalization. So we certainly believe in the future. We balanced the act, prioritized in our spending, but we still believe that the electrification is the way to go.